Hello and welcome to the Investing Iguana, where we provide you with insightful analysis and tools for investors. In this video, we are going to talk about Tesla's record Q1 deliveries and whether they are a reason to celebrate or worry. Tesla, the electric vehicle pioneer, achieved a new milestone in the first quarter of 2023 by delivering 422,875 cars, a 36% increase year-over-year and a 4% increase quarter-over-quarter. This was after two consecutive quarters of delivery misses in the second half of 2022. Tesla also produced 440,808 vehicles in the first quarter, maintaining the high level of output seen in the previous quarter. Tesla's stock price has soared by almost 70% this year, thanks to several factors that have boosted its appeal among investors. These include a flight to growth stocks with strong fundamentals and balance sheets amid a shaky financial sector, and hopes for monetary policy easing by the Fed before the end of the year. Tesla's record deliveries also alleviated some of the concerns about demand risks, especially in some of its key markets like China and Europe. However, before you get too excited about Tesla's performance, there are some caveats that you need to consider. First of all, Tesla's impressive delivery numbers may have come at a cost of lower average selling prices, ASPs, and profit margins. Tesla implemented several price cuts across its models and regions in the first quarter, presumably to stimulate demand and fend off competition from other EV makers. While this may have helped boost sales volumes, it also means that Tesla's revenue and earnings may not grow as fast as its deliveries. In fact, some analysts expect Tesla's gross margin to decline from 24.1% in Q4 2022 to 22.5% in Q1 2023. Secondly, Tesla's valuation may still be vulnerable to macroeconomic headwinds that could dampen investor sentiment and trigger a sell-off. These include persistent inflation, monetary policy tightening, and looming recession risks. The recent decision by OPEC Plus to cut crude output next month has reignited fears of higher inflation and energy costs, which could hurt consumer spending and economic growth. This could also reduce the likelihood of the Fed easing its monetary policy stance anytime soon, which could put pressure on growth valuation multiples like Tesla's. The sustainability of Tesla's recent rally may depend on its ability to demonstrate consistent profitability and growth amid a challenging environment. So, should you really be celebrating Tesla's record Q1 deliveries? Well, it depends on your perspective and time horizon. If you are a long-term believer in Tesla's vision and innovation, you may see this as a positive sign of its market leadership and potential. But if you are a short-term trader or a value investor, you may want to be more cautious and wait for more evidence of Tesla's fundamental strength and resilience. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching the Investing Iguana. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more investing insights and tools. See you next time.